Most of the business fails in meta ads for a single reason, that is to consider all the customer as the same. Look, there are different type of customer. One type of customer, they don't even know that they have a problem. Number two type of customer, they know that they have a problem but they don't know the solution. In number three, they know the problem, they know the solution, but they don't know how to select the product to solve this problem. So we can say we have unaware audience, problem aware audience, solution aware audience, product aware and most aware audience. Now if you want to run ad for unaware audience, then you should run an introductory video where you can use education, entertainment or viral hooks. Now the next part, problem aware audience. You should run solution ad, founder ad, this type of things. Now for solution aware audience, you can run your product ad. And lastly, product aware and most aware audience, you can use CTA, call to action button, and you can run different type of offer ad. So from next time while you will run ad, try to make creative diversity. Try to target every persona.